That is our demo that we are trying to demonstrate on different ways of how you can keep your bees safe. Still, you can put them on stands, how to cover and fight some creeping antis like the small antis, even the termites from climbing your pole or eating your paws, even how you can prevent breeding places or breeding areas for some of the pests like the small hive beetles, even other different types of species of pests that destroys or attacks our apiaries. First and foremost, you need to have your environment clean. The ground and your beehive should be clean. As you have seen, our environment is clean. Our apiary is clean from droppings. We would have added additional shrubs, but when those additional shrubs are there, they will provide a breeding place for different pests, as well as they will attack our beehives, our colonies. Then you find we are not progressing. So that's why we need to keep, for as long as you have the shade, canopy shade, but also allowing sunlight to pass through. The shade should not be like a building or tarpaulin on in the colony. No, it should be a shade to provide both shade and light can pass through and reach your beehive. Not heat but light to pass through. So that's our environment demonstration. So you can even learn. If you want anything from us, you can come and we'll train you. If you are still a bee having farmer or a honey hunter, you can come and then we transform your ways of keeping bees for commercial, not only sideline or not only for food purposes, but a commercial bee farmer. It's when you practice all these things. When you prune your tree, it gives enough space, enough breathing space. So also your bees should be well pruned in the environment. They should like you and you should like them, because they are making money out of which you cannot even suck. If you call it to go and collect nectar, then you make honey. You cannot make as good as, you cannot even try to make honey. You can make other different juices, but not honey. So we need to respect them because they do different purposes. One, they pollinate our plants. So there is propagation, there is multiplication of the vegetation in the community. Number two, after pollinating them, they are multiplying. So they even make some money. They harvest, they collect those nectars, they bring, they irrigate, they do a concentration, every process that goes, they pass through inside the hive there. Then finally you find they have made you honey. After making honey, then you come and harvest, you get food, medication, in money. So they should be well conserved. We should like them, we make them our friends, they should also, you should befriend them and they befriend you in all aspects. Thank you for being part of us. Thank you for your support. As Divine Revelation Apiaries, we are aiming at environmental conservation and even sustainability of living, like income generation, family health education. We doesn't only make beekeeping, but also on side we keep animals. We train farmers of beekeepers and different, even young generations. We train them how to sustain their lives at an minimized cost. Cost, like when you have got a beehive, by good luck you have, it is colonized. You have vegetation around. Cleaning down the beehive does not take even 5 hours, even 10 hours, even 10 minutes. You cannot even that I will spend the whole day in the apiary cleaning. So it is so hectic for as long as you have planned it very well. So beekeeping is very good for us of all to practice, because it is multi-purpose. It is a multi-purpose project. It is a multi-purpose project. Thank you for being part of us. Thank you for watching us. And we are still processing.